Bought this replacement combo unit, not because I needed it, but because the old one was looking ugly. Moved into a new place. This one looks exceptional. And that green light in the middle of the night serves as a night light. It's pretty awesome. Installation was a typical breeze. Gonna buy another one.
Got this off of Amazon. Here it is. Came with a QR code directions if you need it, box, and a battery. I just had a brand new battery that I use, so I'll save this one for later. Very easy to install, and it's hardwired, both carbon monoxide and smoke. And I give it a 5 out of 5. Super easy.